Discussion Post and Peer Response 15, Chapter 22, Maria Montessori. Maria Montessori was a remarkable woman who accomplished a lot. She was a physician, a doctor, and she was one of the first female doctors ever in Italy. And she was very accomplished. She lived a long life. She was very much the same lifespan as Dewey. And so it was around that time. She started in the 1800s, the mid 1800s, and she died in the mid 1950s. And so her life actually overlapped with mine just a tiny bit, but I was quite young and I would have probably not been even old enough to go to a Montessori school when she died. But she's known for the Montessori schools, and you've probably heard of Montessori schools. They are especially geared towards very young children, and they have a very specific method. They have materials that were developed by Montessori long time ago, and they continue. And the way the teachers are trained is very regimented, and there's a certain way to teach the Montessori way. So you're going to read about her, you're going to read about her method, and you're going to be able to hopefully make some connections to what she wrote about and what she taught and how schools are today, especially early childhood. Might not remember your time as a kindergarten student or preschool student, but you might have some memories. You might have taught children at a young age. You might have your own children that were of a young age. Do the best you can as far as being able to relate to young children. So the prompt: reflect on Montessori's concept of the structured environment and her belief that children learn most effectively in a structured environment. Don't spend a lot of time telling me about Montessori and her accomplishments. Focus your attention on the concept of the structured environment and her belief that children learn most effectively in a structured environment. And then if you can recall your early childhood educational experiences, do that. Or think of others that you've seen or others that you have heard about, or maybe just give your impression of what you think modern early childhood education is like today or was in the recent past. Do you agree or disagree with Montessori and her methods, and explain why or why not? If you have any questions, please give me a call.